How to get the nth element of a Python list or a default if not available. In Python, how can I simply do the equivalent of dictionary.getKey, default, for lists, i.e., how can I simply get the nth element of a list, or a default value if not available? For example, given a list mylist, how can I get 5 if mylist is empty, or mylist 0, otherwise?
To support negative indices we can use
Edit. I removed the check for type error, probably better to let the caller handle this.
This is probably better as it gets larger. This works because if a n column is an empty list if n equals len a. Here is an example of how this works with range 5. And the full expression.
Just discovered that iter_l returns an iterator on mylist, next consumes the first element of the iterator, and raises a stop iteration error except if called with a default value, which is the case here, the second argument, 5. This only works when you want the first element, which is the case in your example, but not in the text of your question, so. Additionally, it does not need to create temporary lists in memory and it works for any kind of iterable, even if it does not have a name. See Shong Chiamayov's comment on Grushji's answer.